Welcome to the Sintratec booth. We are at Formnext in Frankfurt.
Formnext is very special to me because it's the biggest additive manufacturing trade show. I'm happy to see familiar faces and to show our amazing applications and of course machines.
This is my first exhibition here for Sintratec, and I'm very glad to be here and to present our all-material platform to our visitors.
So for me personally, it's an extremely good chance to feel the pulse, to talk to the fellow peers of the industry, and most importantly, to hear our customers.
Sintratec is presenting its all-material platform, a cost-effective, selective laser sintering solution for polymers and metals.
We show some awesome applications, unconventional, crazy designs to show everybody the possibilities that you have with selective laser sintering. Last year when we launched the all-material platform and with it the new S3 printer, we were really excited to see how it's going to fare in the market, and we were just blown away. This year is our most successful year. We more than doubled our sales to last year, so we really seem to have touched a nerve here.
Our customer responded very well to the all-material platform. It was nice to see all the different applications that our customers brought to life during this year.
We as Sintratec value customer satisfaction, as our all-material platform is the tool that generates added value to current customer production, which means their business grow and we can grow with them.
The all-material platform is a really good level up on the offer of Sintratec, because this is the same architecture of the system, so you can use a small MCU or big ones in a S2 or S3 depending on your needs.
Ja, also die Sintratec All-Material-Plattform ist natürlich sehr, sehr spannend im Hinblick, dass es ein modularer Ansatz ist. Also dass auf einer Anlage sowohl Polymer als auch Metall verarbeitet werden kann, ist super interessant und bietet natürlich ein Riesenpotenzial für die Zukunft.
So for us, this means that we will double down on the all-material platform. We'll introduce more exciting materials, more modules, just to make the solution even more versatile and better.